Well, hello everybody. I'm going to set this right up there. It is that time again to do a little bit more reading from I Could Chew on This. Now, I don't know why the screen has started doing this flashing thing down here. I'm assuming that means the picture is going on the TV. I really don't know. Kind of bothers me that is the case. But here we are. It is what it is. And if the TV goes, well, the TV goes. Now, we are on chapter 3, if I can find chapter 3. Oh, yeah, here we are. By your side. With what looks like a bunch of tennis balls. Interesting. Okay. Wingman. I wag my tail. I tilt my head. I give a little wink. I flash my smile. I show my belly. I give a little lick. I do it all from sit to speak to attract women far and near. Then you chime in with something about fan fiction. And I realize we're going to die alone. Picture. Time. Oh, look at that. I can see the reflection of outside in my glasses. Interesting. Where did you go? Where have you been? Do you know how long you've been gone? 3 hours. Or 15 minutes. Or 6 months. The point is, I've been waiting at that door for 18 straight years, and every one of those 12 seconds killed me. That is probably the most accurate poem in the book so far. That's what I would have to say. There was a picture that goes with that one too. Dachshund. Dachshund! Use as a dachshund! If you got lost. If you got lost, I would find you. If you got hurt, I would help you. If you got trapped, I would save you. If you got abducted by aliens, I would cripple their ship's computer system by uploading a virus. Somehow. For you, I would swim across the deepest ocean. For you, I would jump across the widest chasm. For you, I would race across the biggest country. So now that you know all that I would gladly do for you, maybe you can do something for me. And give me a braver name than Wiggles. And then our eyes lock. And then our eyes lock. And then the world stops. And then I realize, man, I'm really wrapped around your leg. Man, I'm really going to town. Man, I'm clearly not stopping. So believe me when I say, our next 20 minutes together will be the most awkward of my entire life. This one's called Lassie. How come, with just a few barks, everyone can understand that Lassie is saying Timmy fell down the well? But with my endless whining and gnawing, you can't understand that I am saying I'd rather the earth swallow me whole than go out in public wearing this raincoat. And that's what makes the picture make sense. Do like the little green boots with it though. 6 ways. There are 6 ways to say my name. 1, when you are happy to see me. 2, when you are afraid that you've lost me. 3, when you instruct me. 4, when you scold me. 5, when you nuzzle me. And 6, when you catch me eating another dog's poo. Although that last one just seems to involve a lot of screaming and nausea. Never learn. Why? Why do I think that every time you tell me to get in the car, you're finally taking me to the hole-digging, shoe-chewing, butt-sniffing, ball-tickling amusement park and not for my shots? When I see you. When I see you head for the kitchen, I know it's time for my dinner. When I see you walk to the yard, I know it's time for us to play. When I see you go to the car, I know it's time for a drive. When I see you turn on the TV, I know it's time for my head on your lap. And when I see you climb into bed, I know it's time for my walk. I like that little twist on the end. That is so often the case. So often the case. And then after I take Scooby out, I'm awake again for a while, and it takes me a long time to get ready to go to sleep again. So that is a thing that happens, and it's pretty consistent. Kisses. I lick your face when you bend down to pet me. I lick your hand when it hangs off the chair. I lick your palm when you nuzzle my chin. I lick your feet when you are asleep. Oh, gotta start that again. When you are sound asleep. Sound asleep. Kisses. I lick your face when you bend down to pet me. I lick your hand when it hangs off the chair. I lick your palm when you nuzzle my chin. I lick your feet when you're sound asleep. I lick your nose. I lick your legs. I even lick your eye when I try to lick your chin. Oh my God, how many times do I have to do this because I keep screwing up? Kisses. I lick your face when you bend down to pet me. I lick your hand when it hangs off the chair. I lick your palm when you nuzzle my chin. I lick your feet when you're sound asleep. I lick your nose. I lick your legs. I even lick your eye when I try to lick your cheek. I lick and lick and lick you all over and over again because I love you. And because one day you're going to fall into a vat of taco meat. And frankly, I don't want to miss out. I finally got through it. Sit. You want me to sit? You'd like me to sit. You need me to sit? You're asking me to sit? You're saying louder for me to sit? You're yelling for me to sit? You're begging for me to sit? You're pleading for me to sit? You may use the word sit, like I have any clue what it means. But I love your enthusiasm, And so I jump up and down with joy for the both of us. Oh, here's one. Dog breath. Smell my breath. Go ahead. Smell my breath. Really get in there, right up to my mouth, and smell my dog breath. Can you guess what it is? Can you tell what I ate? Because I swallowed it so fast before it could escape, and frankly, I'm curious to find out. No longer together. My two people no longer share a bed. So now one mattress is far too big. My two people no longer share a home. So now one smell I cannot find. My two people no longer share a life. So now one person I don't see much at all. My two people no longer are together. And I can't help but wonder if it's because of something I did. Or maybe that Turkish rug I soiled. It's kind of a little emotional, some of them, like subtly, when you think about them. Lap dog. A lap dog is any dog who wants to be really close. So stop your muffled screams and your cracking pelvis and just celebrate the fact that this mastiff loves you so. Special word. There's a special word we dogs have to express our greatest pleasure upon seeing our favorite person. It's bark. But be careful, for bark also means 742,000 other things. So it's all really about context. And that, my friends, is the end of chapter 3. So when we come back, we're going to do some heavy thinking in chapter 4. So I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. And as always, until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other.